Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 2 Diploma in Installing Fire-Resisting Timber Door Sets. The LicQual Level 2 Diploma in Installing Fire-Resisting Timber Door Sets provides a nationally recognized industry-specific qualification which demonstrates competence in fitting a fire-resisting door set to meet current fire regulations for fire doors. The qualification has been accredited onto the Regulated Qualifications Framework, RQF, and is published on OFQL's Register of Qualifications. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.